When will we see a turning point as COVID-19 cases continue to mount? How long will it be before we see some relief?
Hospital CEOs in our area saying it will take about 2 weeks to see a change if we all act today. The urgent message coming ahead of the 4th of July, people being told not to gather with people outside of their households.
It has to be done at an individual level. If you love your country, you will wear a mask and you will do what the mayor and the judge have told us to do. What you do today will determine what happens 2 weeks from now, whether you're in the emergency room with no beds in the inn.
Bexar County saw hundreds of COVID-19 cases added today for a new total of 12,878. The death toll has increased by 4 tonight for a total of 115. The number of recoveries has increased to more than 5,100, but there are still 7,600 people fighting the illness.
Hospital capacity, meanwhile, now at 13%, meaning there are only 574 staffed beds available. That is a big change compared to yesterday when it was at 27%. Hospital beds at BAMC and the VA hospital are no longer included in the hospital capacity calculation. Since they're military hospitals, not everyone can be treated there. And
some hospitals are reaching their limit. That's why they're asking you to stay home this 4th of July weekend.
Governor Greg Abbott also introducing a mask mandate today. The Night Team's Tiffany Huertas with one COVID-19 patient story and the impassioned plea from hospitals and local leaders.
I couldn't breathe for like a second because like my congestion, and then at night I got night sweats and my eyes were burning.
24-year-old Nicole Miranda says she recently tested positive for COVID-19. Nicole is quarantined and is taking extra precautions at home since she lives with her parents.
Every time I use the restroom, I have to sanitize it.
Nicole says she doesn't know where she contracted COVID-19. An additional 374 cases of COVID-19 were reported today in Bexar County. Local hospital leaders ask for the community to do their part as hospitals inch closer to reaching capacity.
Please, please, please wear a mask.
1,000 patients today, 2,000 patients in six days, 4,000 patients in 12 days. You do the math, they are going to overwhelm us.
Some people may tell you that it's just like the flu, except it's 50 times more likely to kill you than the flu is.
Alan Harrison with Methodist Healthcare System says 2 weeks ago they had 75 positive COVID-19 patients, and today they have 343. A spokesperson for Methodist Healthcare says they have a full supply of ventilators and have one of the world's largest ECMO programs. They are currently taking care for 10 COVID-19 patients with this alternative respiratory treatment.
It's a last resort. It's not appropriate for everybody.
Just wear your mask, wash your hands. It does happen. You can get it.
Tiffany Huertas, KSAT 12 News.